Simple tips to extend the lifespan of your microfiber towels and keep them fluffy. To make microfiber towels last longer, follow these steps. Wash in cold or lukewarm water with a dedicated microfiber cleaner or gentle liquid detergent. Do not use fabric softeners. Add 10 to 20 milliliters of white vinegar to help condition your towels. Do not wash with other lint shedding materials. Separate towels to prevent cross-contamination and wash separately. For example, do not mix towels used on wheels with towels used on paintwork. Tumble dry on low heat or air dry. Never dry outside, as dust can be blown onto towels and lodge in fibers and cause swirls and scratches when used later. Store in a dry, cool, dust-free place to avoid mold, mildew and dust buildup. By following these steps, you can ensure that your microfiber towels last longer and remain effective for cleaning and drying surfaces. Brought to you by South Africa's leading car care and detailing product supplier, AutoDNA and Autovana. View our full range at our online shop at www.auto-dna.co.za or our Gauteng branch at www.autovana.co.za or call us on 031 568 1667. Hope to see you soon.